Hi, and welcome to another training video for Seed Digital Menu. Today we'll be looking at the Seed Manage site and how to set up a menu. First we'll select the Menu tab in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and start in the menu setup. Click on the menu group to display the active menus. Press the New Menu button and enter in a name for your new menu. And press Create Menu. Now select the active days of the week in which you want this menu to appear, as well as a start and end date. Just pick a date far in the future, like 2028, and a start and end time. Then press Save Menu to create the menu. Next, go to the master item list to enter in new items. We can create new categories using the New Category button, enter in the name, and any notes you'd like to make about the category, and then press Save and Close. Or we can create a new item. Again, enter in the name, but this time pick a category location from the list below. From here we can also enter a price as well as a picture. Later we'll use this tab to add the modifiers. For now, enter in your name, category location, and then hit Save and Close. Next, we'll go to the Menu Item Modifiers tab to create new modifiers. Press the New Modifier button to create a new modifier type. Enter in the name of the modifier and decide whether it's required or optional. You can also add a minimum or a maximum required modifier amount. Press Create to save this modifier. After you've created the modifier, find it in the list below. Find one that I created earlier. Now we have pizza size here. Since we already have two different pizza sizes, we'll add a third one. To begin, press the plus option button. Enter in the name of this modifier and add a price. Press Create to save, and we have our third pizza size. Now, the last thing we have to do is link our modifiers with our food items. To do that, we can do it in two places. The first is press Properties and add in the item down below, and then press Save. If the other alternative way of doing so is going back to the master item list and finding the item we want to add it to. Find the item you'd like, and then press the Edit button. Go over to the Modifiers tab, and then press Add Modifier. As you can see, we already have pizza size, but I'll add it again. To delete a modifier, simply press the trash can button. Now, from the drop-down list, find the modifier you'd like to add, pizza size, and then press this Save button. You can add as many different modifiers as you'd like. Remember to press Save each time. When you've added all the modifiers you want, press the Save and Close button. Now, the very last thing we have to do is get these items onto the Clover Station itself. To do so, we'll go to the Menu Item Tree. The last thing to do is to get these items onto the Clover Station. To do so, we'll go to the Menu Item Tree. On the left side here is a list of all of our categories and items inside those categories that exist on the Seed Manage site. On the right side will be the list of the categories and items that will show up on our Clover devices. To add a category or an items inside those categories, simply press the Add button. Now you can add entire categories or just the items inside, whatever you want to do. So first we'll select a menu from our list, in this case Pizzeria, and then we'll add the categories and items we wish to appear on that menu. Notice that when I expand each category, their subcategories and drinks come along with it. Now that we've added these categories to the right side in our menu, Seed will automatically update on your Clover station. Give it a few moments and then go check it out yourself, and you'll see that everything automatically updates. Thank you for watching this Seed instructional video. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 425-296-7409 extension 1, or email us at support@seeddigitalmenu.com. Thank you and have a great day.